Hey there, I'm Mike Jones and I'm the owner of Riverview Turfworks. I'd like to take a couple of minutes and first of all thank you for checking out the website. But mainly I'd like to go over the business's journey with you starting from the very beginning. So several years ago I had some, let's say, not so pleasant experiences with a few local lawn care businesses. What that did is that prompted me to search for some referrals. However, after talking with some friends and family, it became apparent that all of us kind of had the same experiences. Bad communication was a major one. You know, it was kind of hard to get somebody to answer the phone. No scheduling. People would seemingly show up at random to get the job done. And when they would show up, you'd look in the backyard and what you'd see was somebody wearing basketball shorts, a wife beater, and they'd be throwing cigarette butts out on your yard. Nobody wants that. On top of all that, they wanted you to sign a yearly contract. I don't think that wanting a respectable and dependable lawn service is too much to ask for. So at the time, I thought I could bring a huge value to people by fixing a long list of shortcomings that are common in this industry. So what I did was I sat down, I made a list of how I could fix your problems and how I can make your life easier. As it turns out, it worked. Our clients are very happy with our service, and here's the kicker. They aren't only happy with the finished product, they are blown away by our client service. I know that's a fact because they tell me. Whether it be tips, whether it be emails, whether it be free tickets, whether it be handwritten notes, I hear every single bit of it. The amount of people who tell me they are impressed with our customer service is just simply remarkable. It's the biggest morale boost that we could ever receive, and I promise to provide you with a respectable and dependable home service business, one you can trust to be on your property, and one you are proud to use. We are constantly trying to better ourselves to provide you a higher quality service. That means we have good communication. And if you're on our mowing route, you may think it's a little bit too good. That's because you're going to receive a text message and an email if service is postponed. And during the spring, we have to send out an awful lot of those because we get so much rain here. We do our very best to answer every phone call, and I can assure you that if your call isn't answered during normal business hours, that it's because we're busy helping somebody else just like you. We're going to return your phone call as soon as we can. Not only that, we keep a schedule. As long as there isn't a weather delay, you can count on us to be there just as expected every week. And if there is a weather delay, we will communicate that with you. For me, this is a big one. We all wear uniforms, just like what I have on now, and our trucks have logos on them. So if you hear a thud in your yard and you look out the window, you'll see a Riverview Turfworks truck parked out on the street. And you'll have the peace of mind knowing that it isn't something to worry about. Lastly, we don't do year-long mowing contracts. So if you move or you decide you just want to start mowing yourself, no big deal. You can do it, it's fine. Business is good, however, it hasn't been without its struggles. A few years ago, I broke my ankle. It took almost an entire year to completely heal from that damage. It was definitely a devastating injury for me. However, I was able to recover and get the business back on track. Fast forward to now, I'm recording this in January of 2023 at the end of the month. Last year, the business doubled in size, and this January has been our best month ever. This year, we're going to at least triple in size. This adventure started out solely as a mowing business. Now we are still offering mowing, but we have also expanded to mulch installs, shrub trimming, landscape lighting installs, and sod installation. We look forward to working with you and helping make your life a whole lot better. Thanks and have a great day.